Yo, what is up? What is up? What is up? Guys, Jamaica Rest gave even another reaction. And today, guys, we're back with Lady Leisha. Likes. What's her name? Lady Likes. Sick freestyle. Sick freestyle. That is what we're doing today. This is BBC 1Xtra1. So after the last two reaction, I typed in Lady Leisha and I said this. This was like 5 years ago. So I said, I'm gonna react to this. Alright? I'm just reacting. I'm not breaking it down, I'm just reacting. There's a difference. I'm not gonna be pausing it every 10 seconds. So we just gonna react to that one and pause it when it needs to be. So let's jump in it and let's go! Ready? Go.
Yo, it's your girl Lady Likes.
And it's your girl Lady Leisha.
Yeah.
And we're here about to do a quick female freestyle for you guys. And on the decks, we got DJ Melody K. Alright, who's gonna go first though?
You Likes, come on.
Set pace, yeah?
Yeah, set pace. Yeah.
I can see this is about to be hype as fuck. This is about to be fire, cause once Lady Likes, this is the first time I'm gonna witness you. But once you're alongside Lady Leisha, it's got to be energy. Plus the DJ look good. Big up the DJ. I mean, no, I said the DJ. All female thing, all female scene. I love it.
Right. Look. Listen. That girl there couldn't fit in my shoe. What? I'm size 6, they be like size 2. I be like, nah, fire in the booth. Tell Charlie I'ma set fire to the room when
Bomboclat! Yo, that's what. Yo. Little girl. Be your blood clot self.
Listen, that girl there couldn't fit in my shoe. What? I'm size 6, they be like size 2. I be like, nah, fire in the booth. Tell Charlie I'ma set fire to the room when I come through, fly like witch with a broom. What? I'm sky high, I sit on the moon. Yeah. He's not top cause he is a dude. I'm a chick so I got a bird's eye view. I'm a kickstart like I like Typhoon. Get dark like I wasn't like that blue. What? I wanna give a shout out to the haters. I am ahead so I don't mind you. Enough man going like they're so sick. Who now? No one ever caught that flu. When I come through, they be still like a go nuts and it ain't cashew.
You hold it up like Trayvon, all blacked out like Akon.
Bomboclat! What? Oh, this not have more views. Yo, first of all, wait. Big up the blood clot DJ. Big up yourself, DJ. Big up your fucking self. Lady Leisha, big up yourself. Lady Likes, oh gosh, man. Oh gosh. Good gosh. Let's go again, man.
Come to your door like Avon, and make you give it them notes like Trey Songz. This night.
Wheel out.
This is
Wheel
sick,
out.
you know.
Yo,
Why has this never been done before? This is crazy.
Sick like public.
Yes.
Sick.
Melody
Hospital
Kane. Shit.
Lady Likes,
DJ look
Lady
good enough,
Leisha
like the
inside. DJ Melody Kane.
Look.
DJ
You
feel
put
it.
it up like Trayvon, huh? All
Yeah.
blacked out like Akon, huh? I'ma come to your door like Avon, and make you give it them notes like Trey Songz. It's my time, you must have got your days wrong. I'm Freddy Krueger and I'm Jason. Cooking up the real stuff, wearing my apron. Don't let the pigs, but I do like bacon.
That's it, I be the girl with a tactic. I'ma bounce back like a backflip. I rock the
Bomboclat, the DJ too wicked. The DJ bad like blood clot COVID. The DJ wicked. Yo, I'm not sure if this girl get enough credit, but she fiery dog. Fiery. What the Bomboclat am I witnessing? What am I watching?
the boat, so they're gonna see me soaking that ship. I'm top 3, not a hat trick. Come with me lyrically, I take the liberty. You would think I stole the flame. I'm that lit, night gave me clothes, it's bait. I'm that tick, flying off the chain like that rips. I'm over the top like a jacket. No figures that roll with straps like fat tits. No figure will hold me back like elastic. Flow bigger, Pinocchio knows magic. Need a guy that knows gymnastics.
Yo! Her brain is going constantly. She's not stopping. She's not taking a breath. Oh, them girl, yeah, do it. Oh, she not bigger. Why she's not on the main scene? UK, what not do? How come she's not on the main scene?
6 cut from a different cloth. No fabric when it's going down. I'm no Carolina. He got me screaming, go bombastic.
Flow tight like a corset. Your weed smells like cornbread. I'm
Yeah.
about to get doorstep. I'm about to be bigger than your forehead. Your head needs to get sorted. You will get licked down like a cornet. Eyeball eyeball, swish, all net. So I don't know who you're eyeballing, cause eyeball like a bald head. Eyeball, Michael, Jordan. You want beef? Safe, cool then. You got a team? Okay, cool them. And if you want more, I'ma give you more then. Your man goes down south like more then. And he
Oh, Buckler! No, man. No. Yo, these three together is like a magic. I'm witnessing magic. Why does it have more views?
I'll give it to you doorstep. I'm about to be bigger than your forehead. Your head needs to get sorted. You will get lit down like a cornet. Eyeball, swish, all net. So I don't know who you're eyeballing, cause eyeball like a bald head. Eyeball, Michael, Jordan. You want beef? Safe, cool then. You got a team? Okay, cool them. And if you want more, I'ma give you more then. Your man goes down south like more then. And he opens his mouth like he's yawning. Ow, he's good to me. They know I'm a KO. And the rapper coming better lay low when I'm on a stage show. No, stop it.
Yo, I'm so impressed with DJ. I'm so impressed with Lady Leisha, and I'm so impressed with Lady Likes. It's unbelievable. This is history. This is history, and this is a shame why this video not gone viral around the world. I don't know. 5 years ago, I don't know. But Bumbuckler.
Stop it! The flows. So you're gassing me, Likes, man. Make me want to write bars right now. Hey, Lady Leisha, Lady Likes, DJ Melody Kane.
Melody Kane, big up.
Look, they be coming with the same flow that they know. I'm okay, and the rapper coming better lay low. When I'm on a stage show, yeah, the rain blow, a tornado. Gonna wear a rapper like a raincoat. I'm on a radio like a with a rainbow. I'ma flip it like a table, because I say so. I be like an angel. Over your head it's like a halo. Like, how can I say that? Not underarm when I spray that. I'ma go wild like a stray cat. When I'm on a rhythm, I'm calmer. Payback, not like, yeah, she's calm, not laid back. I was on a thing like bun them, man. I'ma put them in a group like take that. Then I'm gonna slew them one by one. So you never guess peak, I'm a straight cat. Check 1, 2, how am I sounding? Now everybody singing, I'm astounding. Got lyrics to kill them, I never found them. Then I get yum like I'm pounding. Even up the beat, it's so arousing. We in the house, the filling forms in the housing. Now they're spitting out the mouthpiece, pouting. But I leave the lips red on a clownting. I'll be like house things, yeah, house things. Turn a pretty little light, hit a brown skin. I got bars, so I'ma bring the rounds in. One bar will leave the head top bouncing.
The way how she switch up her flow, dog, and on the same tempo. She just talented like, I don't know a blood clot, yeah, man. I don't know, yeah, man. I'm moving a blood clot to, yeah, man.
Bar will leave the head top pounding. On guard, the beast will get back pouncing. You need to get your brow stitched, stop frowning. Lady Likes is the girl roll round with, yeah. Oh Lord, my ass fat bigger than a border. If you never me go and get a roller, I ain't never got a try holding up a hola. I'm from London, where the goons are, and I'm repping for the girls with a big warha. When I put this Kruger in my Doda, never running with a Jeep, not a Mini Cooper. My ass so fat, never been a mini me. Ass so fat, I'll be ripping on my jeans, and my ass so fat, I can rest a cup of tea. The way you wear me down, I can never.
Yo, big up the big batty girl, them blood clot. Big up the big batty girl, them. Big up the Tickalos, them. Big up the Curvy, them. Big up the Tatiana. Big up on herself, man. She a rep phone now. Yo.
I'm a tree. Jeez. Big up the big batty girl, them. Big up the big batty girl, them. I'm trying. I need to get on your wave.
I'm trying.
Look at that.
I'm trying.
Look at her. Yeah. What?
Yo, me can't help myself, but I keep finding my eyes are straight to the DJ Batty. DJ, your ass. P-H-A-T, not F-A-T, P-H-A-T, me like it.
Look, little bit of leash. They all want a little bit of leash. Capiche? I make your bay watch, I ain't even on a beach. Jeez. You take the white. Let the middle of the street. They like my song to the fidget in the seat. And the jiggle, the wiggle with the beat. Cause they can't keep still, look at chicken in the feet. They listen when I speak. I be going strong in the middle of the week. And you can't get at me, even on a tweet. But they're getting at me. I don't know why you're getting at me. Just because you got more likes on your Insta than me don't mean that you're better than me. Are you serious? These girls are delirious. They must be on a period. Move for me when you smell your bacteria. That's not you. Claim you're a bad girl, that's not you. I'm gonna blow like that's hot food. Gosh, cause you got a blue tick on your Twitter, rude boy. But WhatsApp's got two.
I be coming in vexed. Them man, I'm moist like covered in sweat. I'll take out every man in the scene, so you better think twice if you're coming in next. I'ma put holes in like a string vest. Leave them like patchwork, put them in check. Don't think that cause you got a gun finger, that you got a content never index. And I know I hold weight, but I never did flex. Bet man died, I'ma put them in a casket. Put me in a track and I better blow fastest. On my head like when you put glasses. Enough of these men get hyped for no reason. I know it's gas, but they really wanna mask it. That's like going to the NBA, but you couldn't even put it in a basket.
Amen. Lord, hallelujah, amen. Because I don't play around with fake friends. I'm in the house and you have to pay rent. Ain't got time for the look of fake friends. I don't even have to name them. I've got a bag of family like Asians. So you don't want to battle me, it makes sense. No.
I got a bag of family like Asians. Yeah, Asian family, them big still. Big up my Asian friend them still. Yo, them two girls are bad like blood clot virus, brother. Them bad. Yo, not because I'm not saying much. Me are taking everything as much as I can. I'm lost. I'm lost for words.
You don't wanna battle me, it makes sense. Woo! You don't wanna battle me, it makes sense. Woo! It don't matter if I'm from the same ends. Tryna make dough, I ain't tryna break bread. Because enemies always have the same attitude. But you will get cooked like Callaloo. Where's the respect? Where is the gratitude?
Who know about Callaloo? You will get cooked like Callaloo. Who know about Callaloo? Who know about Callaloo? The Jamaican grains, they don't know. Big up the rest of them, I love them.
Enemies always have the same attitude. But you will get cooked like Callaloo. Where's the respect? Where is the gratitude? This black Power Rangers making power moves. Don't watch me, watch your own style. Pick your head, y'all use aisle. I lay them out like kitchen towels. If I catch her on the street, fight her like Guile. Treat big woman like child. He took a chick, peri, no mouth. Nobody can judge me, it's not a court trial. You want a young fuck and this ain't your lifestyle.
Why it was like, how can we send for the chick? Little did he know that my gender was switch. When I spit, I convert like rendering clips on my heavyweight, so I ain't slender with it. They can never hold me back, so I'm like, get a grip. Dex, don't censor my I know I knocked down most of this. It's kinda like I'm out playing Jenga. Bricks. I know I got the power, got to devour. Them I pick on them like a flower. I'm ready now, I come with the flow, it's like a shower. I wear the blouse, but I make them nigga like a trouser. Come on in, who wants it? That's what I call a bunch of cowards. These men can't step to my flow, I'm a pro. All them man have many flaws like a tower.
Bar for bar, she is keeping up with Lady Leisha. Who is this girl? Can somebody tell me who is this chick? Who is Lady Likes? Who the hell is she, bro? Hold on, man. Me go check out if she on the song on YouTube, man. Hold on, the man. How you spell her name? Lyk. Okay. Hold on, the man. Me don't know who she is. She have song from 5 years ago. She didn't find about 7 years ago. Yo. Lady like Psycho. Yo. She have song at the first night hear about her. Where she gone? One to her though. Why she not on the scene? Where she there? Yo.
Tell me, I go on your Insta and I unlike every picture. You text me like you never did ya? Sure I did, mister. I ain't got time for the games. I'm trying to secure a bae. I'll take your sister. I kissed the girl and I liked it ting. Take the girl and I wife it ting.
What? Lady Leisha. You gonna take away man, girl?
You text me like you never did ya? Sure I did, mister. I ain't got time for the games. I'm trying to secure a bae. I'll take your sister. I kissed the girl and I liked it ting. Take the girl and I wife it ting. I take the phone, do a Snapchat on it and I send it to you one of my chick ting. Just for the bands though. Man to me sweet kinda like mango. They wanna give me the Dino Django. Wanna touch the strings on my banjo. Don't act like a chickie from Nando's. There on a place that I can go when I'm in your area. Yeah, when I'm in your area. Couple man 10-4 for me. Now I'm scared of ya. Now I ain't scared of ya. And we are the realists. They wanna reload the bars like wheel it. Bear man's been on your go like a remix. Bear man's been on your go like a
Bear man been for your girl like a remix. You know a remix track of a whole man pat.
Pull that. Boy, I was sweating on that, you know. Big up everyone inside.
Love the rhythm, yeah.
DJ Melody K and Lady Leisha. Don't know we're doing this thing right now. Females killing it.
Let's go.
Shall I go in first, yeah?
Yeah.
Look. I cut the beat just like a Severin saw. Said it before, I ride it like I'm pedaling more. I'm like a predator, spitting cause I'm ready for war. Getting in the door fast like it was raining manure. And yeah, I can make it clap like I was begging applause. He want me on fours, he eating so I lend him a fork. Hard to make it in this music if you're technically poor. Like the rich holding the power like electrical cord. Got lyrics to make him fidget. Him but they wanna mimic. Thinking that I'm a gimmick, I spun them like on a pivot. I'm in it, got them jumping like frogs and they wanna rib it. They holler, I got them waiting like holding the phone a minute. I'm sick, I'm so sadistic, I hit like a bat in cricket. Fine like I'm on a train and they caught me without a ticket. I know I got the balls and I'm aiming towards the wicket. That's how the cookie crumbles and I ain't taking the biscuit.
Look, all I do is dream big, small, but I'ma be big. I'ma be notorious, so all I ever see's big. I don't wanna die yet, so I don't wanna see big. Ow, too packed in here, even though the scene's big. I have a dream like Martin Luther King did. Even though I hardly go to sleep to know what sleep is. I remember when my dreams were shattered into pieces. I had to go back to the drawing board and call some meetings. Then it started happening. Of course it was my management. Had to cut them off cause they was dumb. Mannequin made me miss my chance of getting signed. Panicking, now I guaranteed I won't run marathon. Damn, it was embarrassing. I started acting arrogant. I thought my dream was dead. Thought I needed an ambulance, but now my dream's alive and I'm on top and I'm balancing. If they ever seen what my bank balance said, oh yeah, figure it out. All I ever see is me, like my mirror was out. The sleeping on leash, so I just pillow him down. I put that back, just back to the back. Once I get back to the body, give about once I get
like don't care about nothing. I'ma go ham like they ain't no mutton.
Hey.
I'ma go in like say it was raining outside and I got a fresh weave that I'm loving. Yeah, I got bars like I wanna handcuff and ride a beat so good you would think I was so fat. If you check it from the back, you would think I pump it up and it's no Joe Budden. I don't give a like I'm certain it's not the one. I'ma leave my prey wholly determined to make a nun. Or this, your preserving's confirming that you're a bum. I'm a blob so big you would think I was Sherman Clump. Now I'm taking a piss, I'm on the upper bunk. So anyone that's beneath me is moister than what I drunk. I mean, what I drank. Come on man, let's be frank. This ain't the English exam, but I pass, I'm like Forrest Gump.
Look, yo, I put my heart in the track. A lot of MCs can't par with the gal, and they can't because the bars are garbage and trash. They're far from being hard to go on to the back. Them gal are air, but still I can't even gasp. I can't even gasp, ain't going nowhere. Like a car with no gas. Let me start with a bang like boom, boom. Watch when we shake up the boom, boom. Yeah, we're in the view. You listen to what? Tunes. Lady like she know how
so many figures be down to figure out how we cook the flow. I'm sick of ridiculous slide and Icarus, I could be spitting it slow like. Who that one again? That?
Goodbye. Alright.
What?
Lady like she know how
so many figures be down to figure out how we cook the flow. I'm sick of ridiculous slide and Icarus, I could be spitting it slow like. Who that? Run that again, run that.
Goodbye.
Why should I?
R.I.P.
Why should I on the scene?
We're gonna shut down Canada, you know.
Mad thing.
Big up Punch Records, innit? They're flying out. Look.
Listen to the first verse.
Watch out now.
So many figures be down to figure out how we cook the flow. I'm sick of ridiculous slide and Icarus, I could be spitting it slow. Like, yo, like so bright. The way you be spitting them flows tight. Like so bright. I live in MC with no sight. I keep telling all these MCs to please stop. Cause I'm so gone, I'm hard to find like my G. Whoopsie, pardon me, I'm up there like a tree top. Hotter than a peacock, I need fun and like.
She said she's so hard to find like her G's.
I live in MC with no sight. I keep telling all these MCs to please stop. Cause I'm so gone, I'm hard to find like my G. Whoopsie, pardon me, I'm up there like a tree top. Hotter than a peacock, I need fanning like a peacock. I'm like an animal, man, I'll be like the cannibal. Happy to eat my meat to the marrow, I call them cannibal. Them gal are casual, baby, I'm surfing radical. They're actually not real, like my weave is looking natural. Oi.
BBC.
Radio 1. Extra.
Yo, people, yo, that was one of the maddest freestyle me take in, brother. Yo, me not telling the lie. I'm not even gonna edit this no way, no shape, no form. I'm just gonna put it out raw as it is. Guys, if you love the reaction, please. Now, this is the difference. When I break down a track, I break it down, I stop it every 10 seconds. When I react to a track, I react like this. This is a reaction, right? This is my reaction. This is my first reaction on the channel, my first official reaction on the channel. Me just make it run. You see me? That is my reaction. My breakdown is when I pause it every 10 seconds. So if you jump on a video and I say I'm breaking it down, this is what I'm doing. So don't get vexed if you don't like me. Keep pausing it. A link to the full freestyle is gonna be down below. So I understand, guys. If you like that, man, please give it a like, man. Anyway, please subscribe if you're new around here. Big up Lady Likes, big up the DJ. What's your name? Broski Melanin. Big up herself. If you for that your name, big up yourself. You're sexy bad. You're bad on the decks. And big up Lady Leisha. Big up yourself, mama. Yo, guys, I'm out of here, man. Look more. Peace.